Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the calendar app and choosing the event you want to alert for. Tap plus to create a new event or tap an existing entry to edit it. Make sure you select the correct calendar account. iCloud versus Gmail matters for syncing. Set the title, date, and time so the alert applies correctly. Once done, you're ready for alert options. Keep the event open because the next steps change how and when you get notified. Now tap Alert and choose a preset like at time of event or 15 minutes before. You can also pick Custom to set an exact offset. If you want a backup, enable Second Alert or add an email alert when available, which sends an email reminder. For recurring events, set Repeat and choose daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, or a custom frequency. Make sure notification sounds and banner settings in Settings are enabled so you actually see alerts. Finish by tapping Done or Add so changes save to the selected calendar. Then, check the event details to confirm both alerts appear. If you don't get notifications, go to Settings, right arrow Notifications, right arrow Calendar, and make sure Allow Notifications and desired alert styles are on. Also, verify Calendar Sync is enabled for that account, and that Do Not Disturb or Focus mode isn't silencing alerts. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.